Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is V. If you're new here, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. And if you are a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you for coming back. I do appreciate you all for stopping by. In today's eye look, I am going to use a black owned company name, The Lip Bar. This 4 eyeshadow quad set is called Ebony Eyes. I'm putting down my second color. It's very pigmented. I forgot how pigmented it is. To pack the color. I'm now doing my third color. And I'm doing that on the lid. This is what we're looking like. Let me clean up and we'll be back. And I'm back with a complete look. I swatched the colors so you can see. These are the 4 colors that come in the palette. I have all 4 colors on my eyes. I have this color is in my above my crease because I have hooded eyes. This color is in my crease. This color is on my lid, on my lids. And this color is in my tear duct and a little above the brow bone. These are the colors. And this quad is by the Lip Bar. I use that. My blush bronzer is from, I use this bronzer, this highlighter. And this is the Tommy X Paradise Glow. And my lips, I am using the JUVIA'S Place, the Nude Peach. This is everything that I used today, and all the other stuff I've used them before, so I'm not gonna mention them. But this is today's simple. Everyday eyeshadow look. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. Keep engaging with me in the comments. And if you're new, please subscribe. I'll be happy if you'll subscribe and join my crew. And if you're a returning subscriber, again, I want to say thank you. Always remember, self first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. Self is important. Life goes by fast. Enjoy it every minute that you can. And I will see you in another video. I love you. Bye. Bye, bye, bye. Love self. Adore self. Enjoy self.